another vlog day.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
It's your girl Ambika.
And it's a girl Pallavi. And you're watching
Ample vlogs. I don't know.
I was about to say Soul Sister.
Same. I was also about to say Soul Sister. I don't know. Maybe हमारे वो मुंह पे ऐसे set है.
Right. So आज
Spot my dimple. दिख रहा है ना?
So आज हम जा रहे हैं सरोजनी नगर. As you can see,
Don't hug me so much. Let me speak.
as you guys can see from the title, it's all about Sarojini Nagar Hall. No, it's not hall. It's all about Sarojini Nagar. We are going Sarojini
It's just
Nagar.
a vlog. SN vlog. We'll put the title SN vlog
Kind of.
somewhere.
Yeah. So
और एक बात बताओ, आपको किसका व्लॉग करना ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है? ज़रूरी तो ना हर बार यही व्लॉग स्टार्ट करे, है ना? तो ये बताओ कमेंट्स में कि मेरा बोलना ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है या इसका. आर यू टीम अंबिका और यू टीम पल्लवी? सो अगर मेरा अच्छा लगता है कमेंट डाउन बिलो टीम पल्लवी, और अगर
मेरा अच्छा लगता था कमेंट डाउन बिलो टीम अंबिका.
यस
So
Let's see.
वैसे हम दोनों साथ में ही करने वाले हैं. तो there is our team
इट्स हेल्दी कॉम्पिटिशन बट स्टिल
and she's
देखते
glowing.
हैं. पापा एट द बैक.
And she's glowing just because मैंने कोई मेकअप नहीं किया आज. I feel
वाओ, तो
really
व्यूअर्स को
sweaty.
कह रहे हो कि सिर्फ मेकअप से ही ग्लो हो सकता है. नहीं, मेरा भी ये स्वेट है, हाइलाइटर नहीं है, ये स्वेट ही ग्लो मार रहा है.
तो
डैडी एट द बैक.
so
we are gonna see you on the
way.
way. Exactly.
So we'll
We're
gonna
just
tell you
gonna
everything.
book
कि हम
Uber
कैसे
now.
जाएं. Yeah, right. तो फाइनली हम यहाँ पहुँचे हैं और यहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी हो रही है. और लेट्स सी यहाँ की कलेक्शन कैसी है. हमें आधा घंटा हो गया यहाँ पहुँचे हुए और काफ़ी कुछ ले लिया हमने. तो बट इट्स एग्जॉस्टेड एंड इट्स रियली डिफिकल्ट टू व्लॉग हेयर बिकॉज इट्स टू मच स्वेटी. सो लेट्स सी. Welcome back to our channel. It's the girl Ambika.
It's your girl Pallavi
And you're watching Apple Vlogs. And
we're back
finally,
with another vlog, but it's not vlog. It's, you have must read by the title. It's Hall.
Hall.
SN Hall.
So
And-
we went to Sarojini Nagar and हम वहाँ ज़्यादा vlog नहीं कर पाए. ज़्यादा क्या?
As you have seen in the previous clip, that we have been there, but
we can't shoot because अगर आप
didn't
shopping
shoot
करने
much.
जा रहे हो ना तो आप vlog नहीं कर सकते वहाँ पे ज़्यादा.
especially in
Because
SN,
Yeah.
क्योंकि
और
बहुत crowded हो जाता है, it's so
बहुत ज़्यादा.
difficult, sweaty and all.
exactly
Can't manage to shoot and
बिल्कुल.
shop
together
together.
you can't because वैसे भी कोविड चल रहा है और आपको मास्क पहन के जाना है और मास्क में बोलना
It's very suffocating.
सफोकेटेड और बहुत स्वेटी होता है. तो वी कांट व्लॉग एट देयर. सो
Now
आपको हम
we are showing
सीधा
you
हॉल दिखाएंगे कि हम वहाँ से क्या लाए. वी ऑलमोस्ट शॉप फॉर लाइक 5K 5,000
Yeah.
and we have shopped a lot. अगर 5,000 में अगर आप कहीं और से लोगे तो you can buy like 4 to 5 things. That's it. But Sarojini Nagar is a steal deal for 5K. So let's get into the video.
So there is no sequence, no order कि पहले कौन दिखाएगा. We'll go one by one. One item she'll show you and one item I will.
So let's start.
She's thinking कि पहले क्या दिखाएं. पहले कुछ suspense वाला दिखाएं या फिर.
Let's start with basic.
Yeah, we are gonna start with basic so that you can watch this video till the end.
Yeah, exactly.
और end में we'll show you the best outfits. So don't skip and
So
continue.
सबसे पहले it's a shirt, basic white shirt, but it's a shirt dress and it's really cool. It has pockets, as you can see. It has pockets.
We love a little baggy shirt.
But it's really cool. मुझे कब से चाहिए थी and it's cost me for like $200 only. और white shirt अगर हम Zara या H&M से लेते हैं So it will cost around 1200 rupees, but it's a really steal deal, and I love it. So next,
because we can dress it up and dress it down. Okay, so I'm gonna start with a very basic top.
and let me tell you guys, जो भी मतलब जो भी हमने क्लोथ्स खरीदे हैं
उनके प्राइसेस वी आर गोना
एंड वो क्या कैसे लग रहे हैं, विल गोना शो हियर और समवेयर बिटवीन
द वीडियोस, या
between this
बट वी
part.
आर गोना अटैच द क्लिप्स की हाउ इट लुक्स.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
so
next.
let's start with the basic crop top. I don't know ये कैमरा में कैसे दिख रहा है, but this is a neon crop top.
Exactly.
I know this is very basic, but I took this for like daily use, not for my shoots, but for daily use.
And it cost us only 100 rupees.
So it's worth it.
So next, alright.
This. Yeah, denim dress.
And this is denim dress. It has really cool
पहले
looks.
ढंग से दिखा. See, it has so much patchwork and plus something written here.
Yeah,
Very cool.
it's really cool to wear. Westby denim is not that costly anywhere except for SM. It cost me $100 only.
And denim is
Only.
always in trend, so
And it's a dress. डेनिम ड्रेस. और अगर हमें चाहें तो हमें बटन खोल के भी इसको पेयर अप कर सकते हैं किसी भी जीन्स, ट्राउजर एंड एनीथिंग. सो इट्स अमेजिंग. आई लव इट.
okay. I'll show you another top. उसके बाद next ab is the sequence crop top, and I bought this for my shoot so that I
It
can
was 200 rupees or for 150?
300 or 350.
Okay, it was 300, right?
हाँ, तो फिर मैंने ये अपने शूट के लिए लिया है so that I can wear this with pant or साड़ी as a blouse. I can dress this in so many ways.
It's super cool. So let's and this kurti, I love mint color. मुझे बहुत टाइम से कुछ mint का खरीदना था and I love it. And it's for
Yeah.
only 150 rupees. Yeah, and
So
I love
worth it. And we love little pastels because it looks so cute.
और इसके साथ मैंने earrings लिए and this earring, oh my god.
I was about to show this earring. Wow. And she dropped it.
But this is super amazing है इसके साथ pair up करके. And most of you guys have seen my Instagram video in this outfit, but it was really amazing क्योंकि I am very sucker for Indian
Ethnics.
clothes.
Ethnics.
Yeah, for kurtis, suits and everything.
So again, shoot purpose के लिए
She have almost bought everything for her shoot.
exactly for my YouTube channel and dance purpose. As you know, dance is my profession. Okay, so this is the long. It has a beautiful ghera, whatever you call ghera going on. It has some silver work going on, and this is very pretty. Pink,
for
and it's
200
pleated
rupees.
also, pleated because pleateds are very in.
Yeah.
And can't wait to wear this with a silver blouse.
It was for 200 rupees.
Yeah, 200.
Yeah.
Worth it.
Next we have pants, and I wear it today like so. और एसन जाओ और अगर आपने पैंट नहीं ली, it's
Not happening.
not happening. And I had bought like this pink pant, and I love it, love it. मैंने और भी पैंट्स लिए एसन से और जो मैंने हॉल किया था आई थिंक इंस्टाग्राम पे, so you can just see there.
IGTV.
No, it's not IGTV.
Okay, it's a reel.
Yeah, it's a reel. And I can pair up with many looks, monochrome, monotones, and with every freaking way. I love it. And it was for only 100 rupees. A pant, I even can't imagine कि pant इतनी cheap हो सकती है. So let's move on to other thing.
Okay. So जिस पर्पस के लिए मैं स्पेशली गई थी वो था स्केटर स्कर्ट. आई नो कई लोगों के लिए होगा वो इट्स बेसिक नाउ, इट्स आउट ऑफ ट्रेंड,
But
बट
you can
I
pair up with
wanted this
any
skater skirt in. I wanted this skater skirt for so long, and I can't wear to style it in so many ways. I love it. It's not all basic because it has these white strips going on, and I can wear it with.
It has shorts inside this.
Yeah.
This was amazing.
I can wear this with white top, black top, any cool hoodies, anything. So can't wait to style it.
And it was for like $250. And one thing, these scarves which
That
you
you're-
can see we have wore it. It was for like $150 for two of them were $150. It was a steal deal. हमने सोचा कि आज की वीडियो में हम ये पहन सकते हैं.
Why not scarf? Because आजकल we wear it as a top.
Exactly, you can wear it for like anything, like top, bottom, head,
Bandana,
anything.
scarf,
Exactly.
hair accessories,
So let's
what
move
not.
on to another now, which I am like obsessed over. Drum roll, please. This was a steal deal. It's a mint blazer,
And wait, not just. ठीक है?
not
Wait.
just a blazer. I have a skirt with this, and you even can't think of it कि इसकी cost क्या है.
Guess what?
उन्होंने मुझे प्राइस बोला 900 rupees, and I said I will give you 350.
And that moment I was so shocked. मैंने कहा कि इसने कहा था कि 900, तो मैंने कहा नहीं भैया 800 कर दो, कम कर दो. I was saying 800 and look what she said 300 और मुझे लगा वो नहीं मानेगा. He was packing it. I thought he's putting the item back, but he was like packing.
बार भी कुछ भी नहीं
He
बोला और
didn't
उन्होंने
utter
मुझे
a word.
और उन्होंने मुझे ये पूरा पहन
That was
दिया.
shocking for me कि वो इतना ज्यादा बोल रहा था और फिर वो इतने कम पे मान गया. तो
350 में उन्होंने मुझे एक बार में दे दिया. इट वॉज अ रियली स्टील डील. और मैं नेक्स्ट टाइम जाने वाली हूँ और मैं और भी प्लेसेस लाने वाली हूँ बिकॉज ये
Of course.
लास्ट हमने
हमें एक
लिया था.
ब्लैक ब्लेजर चाहिए था because that is not basic. We can style it in so many ways.
Ways,
Black blazer is
exactly.
must. We already have red blazer, now mint also, and next time हम black ले जाएंगे जरूर.
And next thing is
Okay, so now it's time for heels, bag, and accessories after that. So wait.
and you even can't imagine next चीज क्या और हमने कितने में ली है. Show.
And wait. It's already tied.
I'm like so freaking excited to pair it with
Endless ways.
endless ways. It was my dream from like so many months. I want to purchase
I
it.
always wanted to have. हाँ ठीक है मैंने स्केटर स्कर्ट के लिए भी बोला था but हाँ this was the second reason जिसके लिए मैं गई थी. Cloud bag. Ta-da-da.
And you even can't
और इस
imagine
प्राइस
this
में
is
इसका
actually
क्वालिटी it's shocking because the chain has a good
Amazing
quality
quality.
and plus it is like Crocs, not Crocs क्या कहेंगे इसको wait.
crocodile print.
Yeah, it's a crocodile print and it's multi. तो ये बहुत सारी चीज़ों के साथ हम कैरी कर सकते हैं and
Exactly.
I love the quality of this chain. It's
Amazing. And for this bag,
We got another thing which she's gonna show. And monochromatic as well. And it goes together.
love. Everyone knows who follows me at my Instagram or Instagram.
Same here. We are sucker for heels
And bags. So it was a steal. So इस बैग का प्राइस आप लोगों ने ऑनलाइन देखा होगा for like
1K, more than 1K.
more than 1K.
ठीक है.
और it was for
TSO पे 900 का है.
800, 900, but we got it for $350.
Woohoo!
And the heel was कि उन्होंने बोला it's for like 800 rupees, but we got it for 500 and it was steal deal. 500 एक pair of heels 500 में लेना worth everything.
Okay, now next item is
Yeah.
accessory.
ये तो आपने देखी होगी.
Okay. So let me show you. Wait. See how beautiful they are. It's multi. We can dress with. Sorry. Again. We can style this with so many. And you could see this. Can we just focus? Yes. You can just see it's really. These are that famous Komal Pandey earrings, and I've seen them on everstylish.com also for like $100.
And we got it for $100 as well.
So we were like,
ये दोनों
we
हमने
have to
200
get them.
rupees की ली है. So just 200. And next we got glasses, and these are neon green kind of vibe, which will go to my
थोड़ा पास से
mint
दिखाओ,
one.
जरा पास से दिखाओ. हाँ ऐसे.
It's cool.
अभी चाहे ऐसे नहीं पता लग रहा, but wait till she wears it. It looks so cool. You have to wear a little tilt on your bridge of your nose, and it looks so cool.
These are literally vibes.
It's a vibe.
It's for only $200. Only. And this was amazing. So next to what we have. अब क्या बचा है?
My night suit. लास्ट टाइम जब अंबिका आइसक्रीम गई थी तो ये दैट पिंक स्ट्राइप्स वाला विक्टोरिया सीक्रेट वाला लेके आई थी, जो काफ़ी इसने इंस्टाग्राम पे डाला है, और इनफैक्ट मैंने भी पहन के डाला है अपने बिफोर्स में, ट्रांसफॉर्मेशंस में. बट आई वांटेड कि मेरे पास भी वैसा नाइट सूट हो, बट मेरे को चाहिए था नॉट पिंक. आई लव पिंक, बट मुझे चाहिए था ऐसा कलर जो सबके साथ चला जाए.
Because I already have pink.
I got that in black. And
Amazing.
it's from
Pretty Little Things. But of course ये original नहीं है. But I don't know. हो
But-
सकता है.
maybe or
say.
maybe not, because ये देखो इस पे ना लिखा हुआ है, but
Yeah.
we can't trust it, but the quality जो इसका
It's
फैब्रिक है वो
amazing.
मुझे ओरिजिनल वाला फीलिंग देता है. Love it. It's satin. These are the top and this is the bottom. Cute little
And
shorts.
even I got shorts. We have same exact 2 shorts. One is not with us right now.
It's not available right now. I have lost it in my cupboard somewhere.
And this Pretty Little
This
Things
was
one.
350 और
Yeah, it
कहीं पे भी मान ही नहीं रहा था. मैंने कहा यार कि चल मुझे 200 तक में दे दे, बिकॉज एसएन जा रहे हैं यार, 200 की तो चीज नहीं चाहिए थी ना. बट
no.
ठीक है, इट्स फैंसी.
हर जगह.
व्हाट यू एक्सपेक्ट. दे वर नॉट बार्गेनिंग एट ऑल.
At all.
बट आई हैड टू गेट इट, सो मैंने ले लिया फिर 300 में.
It was 350 I think.
हाँ, बट 300 में लिया
Okay,
मैंने.
it was 300.
Okay, so
And
we bought these 2 shorts in just 150 each.
no, yeah, it was 50-50 each.
And these are like for daily purpose.
Yeah.
Last off, we forgot to mention
our
this
bag.
cute trendy cow
Cow
print
print
bag.
and it's for 350 as well. They
Yeah.
both are steel.
So we
reinforced
bought
bases.
these 2 bags in 650 and it was
700, 350 each.
मेरी मैथ्स खराब है. I'm sorry.
So 350 each.
हाँ, 350 each is silver oxidized jewelry. Look how versatile and pretty this is. And we got this for
$150 और ये white shirt के साथ इतनी प्यारी लग रही है.
अंबिका ने पहनी हुई है इंस्टाग्राम पे, तो आप देख सकते
Exactly.
हो. सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू फॉलो हर ऑन हर इंस्टाग्राम PDW official one.
And that time with Tiga.
So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys like this video.
And do like,
Share.
comment down below. What's your favorite?
What's your favorite outfit or heel or bag or accessory, anything? Your favorite item from SNO.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Ample Vlogs, because we are uploading every week. So go and
And next
subscribe.
week, it's a secret. So, but you will be seeing not a vlog, but some fun challenge again.
Exactly.
सिर्फ
Because
इतना
it's
ही
been a
hint
long
दे
we have
सकती हूँ मैं,
shoot
ठीक है?
a challenge.
एक सेकेंड, सिर्फ इतना ही हिंट मिल सकता है अभी कि इट्स चैलेंज एंड इट्स very trendy challenge on YouTube. So you will be having fun while watching in the next video. So till then,
Bye.